how to turn on or turn off GPS location data collection in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, search data management. Now click on data management. Again click on data management. Here you will see location, and if you want to turn on GPS location data collection, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, GPS location data collection will be turned on from your phone. And if you want to turn off GPS location data collection, then turn off this button. Now click on stop. After click on stop, turn off GPS location data collection from your phone. This is how you can turn on or turn off GPS location data collection in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.